For the Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. We're in the midst of the holiday week, almost to 2016.
We're so excited.
You guys doing all right?
Oh yeah, it's been a great year.
Yeah,
It was a good year.
Yeah, it was a good year.
All right, and let's finish it on the right note with another helpful piece of advice here for Laura and Mountaintop. Our next question in the Law and You, and Laura says, I was driving home the other night and didn't realize that the road curved very drastically to the right. I ended up going off the road into a ditch and broke my arm and wrist. The road doesn't seem right. What can I do? So I think Laura's trying to say that maybe there should have been better signage or warning.
Yeah.
Does she have merit here with this?
She may. And Laura, I would tell you, nobody knows this better than us. We're one of the only law firms that has ever tried a case in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania regarding road signage on a very dangerous curve that actually ended up playing a role in the death of a 15-year-old girl. So it certainly can be. You need to get to a lawyer. I mean, the analysis that we did, we had to have an engineer out there. PennDOT has tons of manuals, tons of road studies. You have to define what type of curve it is. So there's a lot of things that you can do here, and the road, it may be designed defectively, which played a role in causing this crash.
And we've looked at a bunch of these too.
Oh, yeah.
We have actually, besides the one we tried, we have a couple other going on where we're fighting against PennDOT on these issues, and they do a great job, but sometimes they make mistakes, and if someone's hurt or killed, they can be held accountable under the law. There's caps in place that protect the government, but if they make a mistake, it's out there. So and these are very, like we talk about certain things that we do these, and they are very hyper technical. You really need to know what you're doing. So you need to pick up the phone and call.
All right, if someone runs into a dangerous curve and an accident happens and they want to talk legal stuff with you guys, how can they do that?
Just call us, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Don't wait.
No.
And that would be the best advice that we could give you. Don't wait on this. If you think that you might have a case, pick up the phone and call a lawyer, because got to get out there and do a full investigation to preserve the evidence. It really becomes critical in these cases.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much.
We'll see you, Dave.
And don't forget, you can always get a question here on the show through the Law and You hotline or PAHomepage.com.